Good morning, friends and family. We're in Cape Verde. Welcome to Cape Verde! Yeah. We're going to show you the shark bay, and then I'll take the drone out. You can see the larger sharks. Good time to go would be in the morning. If you want to see the larger sharks, go after lunch. So Shark Bay is on the east side of Cape Verde. No matter where you are, it'll only take you about 20 minutes. Either hire a taxi or hire a quad for half a day. Also, if you've forgotten your beach shoes, you can hire them for €3. There's bathrooms there, there's little stores you can buy ornaments, souvenirs. Toilets there will cost you €1. Worthwhile visiting. You'll absolutely love it. You're tuned to Mo and Cape Photography in Cape Verde. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and hit that like button. We're in Cape Verde and this is the Selinas salt mines.